You finally found your way to the new update. Let's see what's hiding behind the download.
Hi guys. So last night I received the email from Anycubic support team with an attachment.
Welcome to Nick's lair. Are you ready to face my demons?
So let's go to my computer, let's check it out, let's see what's up, let's see what we got, and let's see how we're gonna install it.
And here is that email with an attachment acknowledging my reply. Incredible. Very exciting, isn't it?
We are playing God today. Ladies and gentlemen, we've acquired the forbidden firmware version to .7.0.7. This hasn't even hit the streets yet. I'm downloading this with the caution of a man defusing a bomb in a hurricane. Is it stable? Who knows? Is it beautiful? Oh, it's gorgeous. If my printer explodes. Just know I did it for the aesthetic.
I'm going to try to update this thing. Honestly, I'm flying blind here. I guess the official protocol is to plug in the USB thingy and pray to God it actually works. Is it supposed to make that face? Because I'm not sure this is supposed to happen. Wait, okay, I see life signs. It's updating. My biggest internal debate right now was whether to put the update file into a specific folder or just yeet it onto the root of the USB drive. I chose the folder. Bold move, I know. It's taking a while though, and that silence is getting loud. I really hope it's not frozen. Okay, we have a problem. The screen still shows version 2600, but the file I downloaded was definitely to 7. Is it the same thing? Is it a ghost update? Maybe that's just the unique way they sent it to me, but looking at the UI, it's basically the same thing. It looks like after 5th time I was able to successfully install the updated firmware. Also at this time I would like to give special shout out to Google Gemini for instructing me to create 2 folders seen on the screen and place in each one of them the update file. It is really incredible how much it means to have AI as second hand nowadays. I've learned today in order to install firmware you need the 2 folder, and on the machine screen you have to click on orange arrow next to your existing firmware version to update it. If you don't see orange you are either colorblind or you need to fix your update file on the USB.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.